After his two-day visit to the United States of America, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has now departed for Amsterdam. Now it's going to be the third leg of his three-nation tour. He will be visiting Netherlands, and of course the focus is going to be on bilateral relationship between the two countries. Let's straight away go across to Megha Prasad, who joins us live from Washington DC. Megha, now after the visit to the United States of America, after meeting Donald Trump, now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has departed for Amsterdam. Tell us what we can expect there.
This is a three-nation tour. It started with Portugal, so he was there in Lisbon before coming to United States. Today was the only day when he had official engagements, and in the morning he had, two important people from the cabinet of President Trump. That is the Secretary of State and also the Defense Secretary. Both of them called upon the Prime Minister in the morning here at the Village Hotel, after which, of course, he had this bilateral with President Trump. Now that he has departed for Netherlands is only going to be more about the bilaterals between the two countries, the strengthening of the ties with Netherlands. It will be about business, it will be about trade, it will be about the economic ties. There is no other issue that India actually shares with Netherlands, but in the past we've seen terror activities picking up in the western part of Europe, so maybe that may also be on the agenda.